So yes, this is Get Ready With Me birthday edition. I know y'all see my afro getting huge and huge and bigger and bigger. I'm gonna go ahead and start the process. I'm gonna be using my rice water, leave-in conditioner, it's a detangler from Cream of Nature, Pure Honey. Curl activator from Cream of Nature as well. And my favorite thing, black castor oil. Black castor oil, this has crazy oils in it, like so many oils in it. If you look in there, you have rosemary oil, tea tree oil, soybean oil, aloe leaf, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, coconut oil. It's like everything in here mixed with the castor oil. So it smells like rosemary. It's super good. And as you can see, my hair is like crazy big from when I chopped it off. So it's growing. If I use it persistently, I would see like crazy growth, but I don't. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I don't.
So I'm gonna section, same way I always do. Nothing changed but the products. Ain't nothing changed but the products that I'm about to try. So let's see. Ooh, my hair is growing so fast in the back as usual. Just making sure it's wet with the diluted rice water. And it's really diluted, but this is what I want to use. I'm starting my rice water challenge. Today is the first time for the new cycle. So you guys know I did it before when I was growing out this black hair to cut off my the blonde hair when I cut that off. So it worked for me in growing the black hair out, so my completely natural hair out. So here we go. This is how my hair looks before. Don't really need so much. Here's the product. Oh, it's a little thick. So I'm not gonna go crazy because I don't really have that type of hair where you really need a lot. My hair is like a 3B, 3C. I have areas where my hair could possibly be a 4A, but for the most part, yeah, this is what I get. And again, I started using the rice water again because my hair has been shedding so much. Look at this just from that one section. This is crazy. Ew. So, it's so much hair. Oh, let's see. Oh, let's see if it works. So I'm going through, making sure everywhere has it from the root to the ends. This is like the way you achieve like a crazy, beautiful wash and go. By getting every strand of your hair. Because if not, that place that you miss product on is going to be curling up or poofing up. So I'm going to go through with this product. Doesn't just curl my hair, so I'm going to go through and do some little finger coils. So far it feels really good. People always ask me like on the streets, they're like, what did you do, babe? What product did your hair like that? I'm like, okay, maybe my hair is just like this, but I still have to work to achieve the curl. Because if not, I'll get a big poofy curly poof. If I want curls, you have to put in the work. You have to go ahead and define those curls while your hair is wet. And if you don't, you won't get it. You won't get this look. Not everywhere really needs it. It's not that serious. But you just want to get like the main areas. It's not so bad. It's actually pretty feels good, not so heavy. And the last step will be to add my castor oil to my roots. Let me separate. I should have done this first. I'll do it first to move on. And a little bit in my hand. 2 pumps in my hand just to seal the deal. It's actually really cute. But my hair's getting a little too long for like an afro look. So I wonder how this is gonna look. Oh yeah, but my top is short, so this works out. And as you can see, here's before and after. Oh, criminate to you. You ain't too bad.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing all over my head, and I'll be back. I'll be back to show you how it looks before it dries and then after it dries. Yeah, so I'll be back. Wait. Okay, I ain't even stepping my fingers right. Okay. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I applied it everywhere. Finishing touch of every hairstyle is definitely edge control. This one right here, like, I ain't never had an edge control like this. They sell in a beauty supply store. I think it's called Carnival Extreme Hold. This ain't really holds like for a week, and like I braid my daughter and my son's hair with it, and literally a week later it looks the same, like stiff. It's stiff, but not like crazy. And I'm just letting my hair dry like this, but it's gonna get afro. It should be dry enough by the time I finish my makeup. So I'm gonna go do my makeup. But actually I'll do it on camera for you guys so you can see how I slay. Okay, so I'm going in with my e.l.f. hydrating face primer, and I'm just gonna rub it in all over the place, everywhere, forehead and all, brows, whatever. Yeah, hydrate my face, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to put on my foundation. I'm using the Inglot foundation. It's not a full coverage, it's a light to medium coverage. And I'm just blending it in, and of course I'm going in with my color almond LA Pro Girl concealer, using my beauty blender to buff it out and blend it all together. And once again, I'm going for a simple look, nothing too extravagant. Nothing too extravagant. I'm using this brush right here to put some banana powder on my under eyes and everywhere that I use the concealer. I'm not gonna go crazy, but I'm gonna bake a little bit for y'all, just a little bit for y'all. Y'all know I don't like baking, but I'm gonna bake just a little bit for y'all. I'm putting on. Yes, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna use the Photo Focus Wet n Wild setting powder in the color Deep, and that's what I'm using to contour with. I always use it. It's pretty good, decent. And yeah, just contouring. I have natural pigmentation, like where I'm supposed to contour. I have natural like contour lines. That's crazy, but I do. I think it's because of my cheekbones. But yeah, Once again, this is not a full coverage foundation, so you can see through it so easily. I don't know if I like that, but yeah, I was just trying it out. So now I'm doing my nose, and as you can see, I'm taking it the darker color, the deep setting powder, all the way up into my brows. That's the trick. So now I have my Morphe palette. I'm going for neutral, so I'm going to use this neutral brown. Like, it's kind of close to my skin, but you know, it's coming off a little darker once it gets on. Yeah, and I'm just blending it out. Blending. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a smaller brush and do the same thing underneath my eyelids. Not underneath my eyelids. Underneath my waterline. LOL. Yeah, so just getting my waterline together. My under eyeliner together. And of course, I'm going to use some black eyeliner. I like liquid eyeliner. And how I do my wing is I just go from the corner of my eye up, and then I take it back over. And it always works for me. I'm using green underneath my eyes. This is how I get my little green going. Instead of having green eyes, I got green under eyeliner. It works the same. It gives the same vibe. So here are my lashes. I'm throwing on these 25mm lashes. Yes, I am. There they go. I really like them. They're natural, but super long. And I like that. So the lashes are on, and I'm just making sure I got all that setting powder off my face, and I'm going back over it with my NC44. Well, it's NC44.5 Studio Fix powder, and yeah, that's my skin tone. So it just like kind of blends everything together. I'm making my brows a little darker, so I went over it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in dark brown, and it made a big difference. I'm gonna blend it out. Brows without blending is ugly. I'm just being honest. Yes. So I'm going back in. I felt like my face was a little too white, so I'm going back in to contour a little more, so just to warm up my face a little more. Yeah, and as you can see, there's a more. More in the mirror had came in, and you know, they were doing the extraness. She wanted some spray. I sprayed her, took her down, and of course she didn't leave. But yeah, so my hair's still pretty drenched. I got something for that though. Okay, so this is so necessary. I needed this pick, and I found it out of nowhere. I used it in the shower, so I went in the shower and I got it out. But my hair needed this. I'm just picking it out just to poof out this fro.
I said I was not going to do no black lips. So I'm not. But I want black lips. I like dark lips.
I used the LA Girl Luminous Glow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you guys.